Mrs. T. How's everyone? I hope all is well. Today, we're gonna make some chocolate cake or French chocolate cake that is sugar-free. This cake is dense and moist, but it's really good when it's served warm. Come and join me! In this recipe, we're gonna need 3 eggs, half cup of butter. I use unsalted British butter. And then we need a bittersweet chocolate or dark chocolate, 3/4 cup. This is the brand I use for my chocolate. It's 70% extra dark chocolate. And then, this is the sugar that I use, the Stevia granulated sweetener. So you're gonna use the same amount of sugar with the sweetener. So this is half cup of stevia sugar. And then we'll need all-purpose flour, 2/3 cup. I'll put the complete ingredients on the description below of this video. First, you have to prepare your boiler. Just put some water on top of a saucepan and let it boil. Then get ready with your chocolate chunks. What I did is when the water is boiling, I try to remove it from the stove and place the bowl on top of it and try to mix the chocolate until it's fully melted. Now this looks ready, then set it aside to cool down. Then you need to separate the egg whites and the egg yolks. Then beat the egg whites until it's stiff beat, but make sure that you do not overbeat it because it will get dry. Just make sure that there's no oil or grease on your beater or on your bowl to achieve the stiff peak easy. Then beat the butter until it's fluffy and creamy. Then mix the butter with the melted chocolate, but make sure that your chocolate has cooled down. Then beat the egg yolks and sugar until it's pale yellow in color. Then combine the chocolate mixture and the egg whites. Then lastly, add the flour in 3 parts. Make sure it's well combined but do not overmix. Then pour the batter in an 8-inch by 1.5-inch pan. I don't have the shallow one, so I use my 8-inch springform pan. This batter is too thick, so I really have to scrape it off from my spatula. Then place it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 160 degrees Celsius for a fan oven. I set it at 20 minutes or until the cake tester comes out clean. I cool it down for 15 minutes and then turn it upside down. You can add some powdered sugar on top. I love this cake because it's simply delicious and it's not too sweet. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!
3, 2, 1 了啊了，啊的啊的，啊哼，我的心哦。